Does your car scrape when entering or exiting your driveway? Steep driveway entries and small thresholds at the curb can cause front bumper scraping, high centering, and repeated damage you may not notice until it's too late. At Curb Ramp, we offer a modular setup to help manage these abrupt transitions and problem areas. By reducing the angle at the entry point, the ElevateDrive setup lifts the vehicle under the tires, smoothing the transition and helping prevent contact underneath. This setup is especially effective for driveways with a small lip or raised threshold at the gutter. Place a pair of ramps in the street side gutter, positioned up against the threshold. For additional lift, raise the entry point slightly and taper it off with a smaller backside ramp on the driveway side. Mix and match heights and widths to create the coverage you need. Whether you need clearance earlier as you approach the driveway or continued elevation after your tires cross the threshold, the ElevateDrive system helps bridge the gap, reduce the bump, and provide the lift your vehicle needs. The result is a safer, smoother entry or exit, without the cost or mess of permanent concrete work. No grinding, no repaving, just a simple, effective solution that helps protect your car every time you drive over it.